Let me get this pulled off and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I just pulled and it came off really cleanly. So it's got the vent in here as well, and there's just a series of small little clip tabs that help hold this into place. Now what we're gonna need to do is get to the spring, because everything that holds in this place is really revolving around this spring. So let me show you how you're gonna take that out. Let's take a look at what the actual structure is here. So the only thing that's holding our armrest on is this spring and 2 pins on each side. And now the pins need to be driven outwards. They have little flares on the end and they're driven in from both sides. The spring has these long arms down this side, so you can't disconnect the spring. The arms are too long, but you got this little loop that comes down over a series of 2 little hooks right there. Now, when your armrest is down, the spring is under tension. So what you want to do is lift the armrest, which is going to make this a little bit hard to show, because with the armrest up, it kind of half shields this. But I wanted to point it out so you can see it. This little loop has these 2 little hooks right here. So what you want to do is take a pair of needle nose pliers, get a hold of one of the arms, lift the armrest to reduce tension on the spring, and then push this loop back and up so it comes free of these clips. Because you're going to want to transfer the spring over to the new armrest, and then we need to be able to get these 2 pins out. But I wanted to make sure to show this to you while you could still see it really clearly, because when the armrest is up, you can't see it. Okay, so all right, so I kind of want to show you this mid stage and show you a little tip and trick. So obviously the loop is out, right? So what I found is if you press on it, as you can see, you press on it, you press it back, it has a hard time coming up and out.